Having a nice logo is very important because it makes your brand recognizable to customers. However, creating a logo that truly reflects you and your business may be extremely expensive. Mybrandnewlogo is an innovative and automatically generated logo maker that uses advanced artificial intelligence to create custom logos that works on any platform and comes with a variety of preset styles that teams can use or change to create exactly the look for your own company. Featuring a series of AI algorithms based on the works of professional designers, this software allows users to craft unique logos personalized to their specific needs. Mybrandnewlogo is designed for marketers, designers, startups, or businesses and includes vector images, stock images, AI-powered logo maker, and much more to create logos for businesses. It is an automated platform that can help you design logos effortlessly in just a few steps. Simply input your desired company name and slogan. You'll be presented with a selection of variations to choose from. Select your preferred option and customize it to your liking using an array of editing tools. Additional tools include color palette and gradient generators. The platform has an appealing interface and is easy to use. From AI-powered logo maker to a comprehensive suite of branding tools, Mybrandnewlogo stands out as an invaluable asset for businesses seeking to carve a unique brand identity without breaking the bank. Watch this video to the end, and you will discover the promised benefits and how to effectively use this tool to increase your conversion rate without much hassle. Kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button as we continue with this Mybrandnewlogo review. Also, make sure to check the description below for the best price, discounts, free tools, and free trial packages on Mybrandnewlogo. What does Mybrandnewlogo really do? Mybrandnewlogo is a revolutionary software that uses advanced AI algorithms and machine learning to help businesses create logo designs and build brand identity easily by automating the entire process. Practical features include customizable options for fonts, colors, and symbols, ensuring each logo suits the user's brand identity. This makes it an essential resource for new businesses looking to establish a cohesive and appealing visual presence. Mybrandnewlogo provides a quick and automated way to create professional logos. Users can begin the design process by entering the company's name and motto, and the software will automatically generate numerous logo alternatives. Users can also customize their logos to meet their specific needs. The software's AI algorithms are built on the work of designers, resulting in unique logos each time. Users have various options for editing the software's smart forms and graphic symbols, allowing users to change the curves and form factors. The software enables users to use their logo for both commercial as well as non-commercial reasons. Along with regular graphic files, the software also provides its users with SVG logo formats, which are perfect for scaling in any size and can be used in billboards and business cards. Benefits and key features of Mybrandnewlogo. Some of the benefits and unique features of Mybrandnewlogo includes 1. AI-powered logo design. Mybrandnewlogo harnesses AI technology to swiftly generate distinct and professional logos tailored to your business needs within minutes, eliminating the need for manual design work. The logo maker utilizes design algorithms to generate logos that adhere to good logo design principles. 2. Easy logo creation process. Mybrandnewlogo follows a simple 3-step process for logo creation. Users start by entering their company name, slogan, industry, and color preferences. The logo maker then generates a variety of logo variations for the user to choose from. Users can also customize their selected logo until it meets their desired specifications. 3. Extensive customization tools. With Mybrandnewlogo, users have the ability to personalize their logos through an array of editing features. These include the option to modify fonts, colors, shapes, and gradients, ensuring a logo that resonates with the desired brand identity. 4. Unique logo designs. Mybrandnewlogo's AI generates unique logos every time, ensuring that users can have a distinct brand identity. 5. Smart shapes. Mybrandnewlogo supposedly offers smart shapes, which are editable graphic symbols that provide flexibility in logo design, allowing for unique and personalized branding. Users can also adjust the curves and form factors of these shapes to create customized logos. 6. Social Media Package. Mybrandnewlogo automatically resizes logos for use on various social media platforms. Logos can supposedly be easily uploaded and used as thumbnails on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. This feature aims to ensure consistent branding across users' social media channels. Mybrandnewlogo's pricing and plans. Mybrandnewlogo offers a pricing model based on monthly and annual contracts. The paid plans include the basic, professional, and enterprise-based plans. If you sign up using the link in the description below, you will get discount offers and unlimited design templates on all plans. Pros: high quality and unique logo designs with affordable pricing options. Advanced AI algorithms that follow design principles from professional branding firms. Smart Shapes feature gives you total control to adjust any shape. Logos with full copyright which you can use for commercial and non-commercial purposes. Users can hire a designer via the website to customize the logo design they created using the Logo Maker tool. Excellent customer support and live chat from real humans. Cons: it's only the professional and enterprise-based plans that offer high-resolution logo files. Conclusion: Mybrandnewlogo is an innovative online platform that provides customized logo designs for businesses of all sizes. The website offers an automated system where users input their company's details and preferences, and the tool instantly generates a variety of logos. Mybrandnewlogo automates the design process of professional design studios. It uses advanced algorithms based on years of graphic design knowledge to make sure your logos always look good. With a team of talented graphic designers, the website offers a hassle-free and affordable solution for creating professional logos that leave a lasting impression on customers. Mybrandnewlogo is a logo generation tool designed for entrepreneurs, small businesses, and startups needing professional branding elements without the high cost of a designer. The platform allows you to customize shapes, color gradients, and visual effects. It serves a diverse range of sectors and offers a social media package that resizes logos for platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. The logos are fully copyrighted for commercial or non-commercial usage, and they are available in high-resolution and SVG format for easy scaling. You can check the link in the description below to sign up and get access to premium tools that will help improve your experience with Mybrandnewlogo. If you enjoyed this Mybrandnewlogo review, kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future reviews.